Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus II game controller not working or gamepad not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select a controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check whether controller is working or not. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select the default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and devices. Here your controller will be added. So first you have to remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, and after that here you have to add your controller, and after adding your controller, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows update, click on check for updates and wait for some time. If there is an update available, update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. So after going to Steam, here you will see an update option available. If yes, click on it, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to use big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, and here in the above section you can see enter big picture mode. So just simply click on it. Now after that, here you have to select your game, and after that click on the play button to check whether you can play it or not. Once you have done this, now click on Steam option. After that, click on power and then select exit big picture mode. Whether controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.